Just log in into this brand new website that was created less than 7 days ago. Set it up as shown in this video, connect to this platform in less than 1 minute, and start making hundreds of dollars again and again. I have a lot of make money videos online on my channel, but this one is going to be one of the easiest ever. And since I've tried it for an entire week, it's proven to be working properly. And since it's a brand new website, not a lot of people know about this, and there is no competition. So you can now be one step ahead of all the future competitors and collect the most money. Now, don't worry, you will not have to trade stocks, you will not have to film any videos, you will not have to sell anything. And yes, this works in your country too, because it's available worldwide. Before we dive into the video, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know how to make money online the easiest way. Smash the like button and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Let's get right into the video. Okay, so this strategy is going to be really simple. Because today we will only combine two different platforms in order to make this work. So in order to start making hundreds of dollars every single day, you just need to combine these two different websites. But before that, I just want to show you this one. This says that you can get paid electronically via PayPal or your bank account. So yes, you can collect some free PayPal money with this website. And if you, for some reason, don't want to use PayPal because it is not available in your country, don't worry because they do have some other payment options as well. And before we go over to that main website which is going to do the work for you, you will first need to come over to Coinbase.com. This is a cryptocurrency exchange marketplace where you can buy and sell cryptocurrency or you can trade cryptocurrency. Coinbase is the easiest place to buy and sell this, and there's a lot of people using this website to trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. And as you can see, Bitcoin cash all the different cryptocurrency that is currently available. But that's not how you will be making money. You will not have to trade any cryptocurrency with this website. You will not have to sign up to Coinbase and watch their tutorials to earn cryptocurrency or whatsoever. It's a lot easier because today we will be using some strategy that no one has ever talked about on YouTube, but it works super well. So you will probably be one of the first to use this strategy. You can take advantage of the early access and start making money before everyone else. That's why I said it's super important to subscribe to this channel with notifications on. Anyways, so for the first step, I want you to come over to Coinbase.com and read more about how this platform works. Read more about how people trade their cryptocurrency with this website. As you can see, people are actually making thousands of dollars in profit with cryptocurrency trading on Coinbase. But once again, this is not what you will be doing. There's something else which you can do to make a lot more money without ever trading your own money with this website. And by the way, I know a lot of people that use Coinbase who literally invest hundreds of thousands, if not sometimes millions of dollars. Here, people are literally turning millions of dollars with Coinbase. It's a huge platform. It's available globally and it's still growing right now because as you might have noticed, everyone is talking about cryptocurrency. Everyone is talking about Bitcoin. And more people are jumping into the cryptocurrency space. So that's why this is going to be a perfect right now. The sooner you start, the more money you will be able to make. Once again, step number 1 is to come over to Coinbase.com and read more about how it works. Step number 2, now you have to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the website. And right underneath the company section, I want you to select affiliates. So you will become an affiliate for Coinbase so you can make money without ever trading your money here. You can make hundreds of dollars on complete autopilot without ever putting your money into Coinbase. So let's read more about how it actually works. You will sign up for absolutely free to become an affiliate. You will promote it with the tool which I'm about to give you. So the tool is going to do all the work for you. You don't have to spam your friends and family. You don't need any social media followers for this. And you will not have to create any YouTube videos about it or whatsoever. At the end, you will earn commissions on autopilot. And when your customers join Coinbase through your promotions, you could earn a commission. You'll be making 50% off of their fees for the first 3 months. And if someone starts investing thousands of dollars with this website, you could be making 50% off of all the money. And as I said, there are literally people spending millions of dollars in Coinbase. You saw that over $455 billion is being processed through Coinbase, which is just insane. So you refer a person that spends $1,000 and starts investing $1,000, starts trading in $1,000 in Coinbase. You will make $500 completely and passively. And that's really good about Coinbase affiliate program is that you can actually get paid in your local currency no matter where you live. So you can collect money in your own currency. You can select the currency you prefer and get paid that way. Once again, you're making 50% in commissions, which is really high. And you will get paid electronically via PayPal or your bank account, which is also really great. It's easy to use, it's secure, and a really trusted affiliate program. So all you have to do is sign up to their affiliate program by clicking on Become an Affiliate. You will create an absolutely free account. The sending process is probably gonna take up to 5 minutes because they will ask you different questions like where are you coming from, how will you be promoting Coinbase, and different stuff like that. Just fill out that form, hit submit, and they should approve it in a couple of hours. And once you get accepted into their affiliate program, you will get your special affiliate link, which you will need to share with other people so they can sign up. They can start trading and you can start making some money in pure passive income. Now after that, you will need to use this plan, which I promised you that is going to get you some traffic in complete autopilot. I tested it out with different affiliate offers and I saw it work. So I promoted some different affiliate offers. Now, I want to try it with Coinbase because Coinbase can actually make you a lot more money with people who are literally investing tens and thousands of dollars and you're making 50% off of all their investments, which is just insane. If you're learning a lot on this video, smash the like button and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Now, as it is promised, somewhere along the video, I'm gonna show you how you can claim $5 absolutely free bonus. Now, if you want to use this app to get traffic to whatever affiliate offer you want to promote, you can use my link in the description down below. I grabbed some of the best deals for you so you can grab it for a fraction of the price. But not only that, if you also use my link from the description down below, you can get this feature to get $5 free bonus. So not only can you grab this for a lifetime for less than 20 bucks, you can also get traffic for a lifetime for a fraction of the price. But take a look at the trick. If you hover your mouse somewhere outside of this landing page, like you want to leave, they will give you $5 bonus. And this is a secret. Try to follow my mouse right now. If you want to leave, then this is gonna say stop and don't leave empty-handed. And it's going to give me a $5 discount or bonus. You just need to click here to claim it, and you'll be able to grab it for even $5 or less. So that's how you can save $5. That's how we can get a $5 for absolutely free. It's a simple trick, but it's definitely worth it. You can promote any affiliate offer you like, and they will result in free autopilot traffic and sales in 60 seconds. It literally takes less than a single minute. Zero tech skills and zero experience needed. It's all in one affiliate solution for a lifetime, so you don't have to ever think about traffic again. Free buyer traffic for every campaign. 100% beginner friendly, no skills or experience, no domains, no hosting or attached, equipped or required, no additional costs or monthly fees, and they also, as I showed you, have step-by-step instructions and tutorials. They're going to explain exactly how to set up those simple campaigns. So I highly recommend you to come over to this page. The link is in the description down below. Watch this video and it's going to explain exactly how Wizard works. And you can grab it for the fraction of the price with a trick which I just shared with you earlier in this video. I really hope you did get some value out of this video, and if you did, don't forget to drop a like to it, leave a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe to this channel with notifications on so you won't miss out any of the new contents. As always, thanks for watching and I'll see you in some of the next videos.